spaghetti. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're gonna be needing are spaghetti, ragu, a big giant fork and a big giant spoon, a little pot to cook the sauce on, and a big pot to cook everything on. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is take your pot and fill it up with water around halfway. So, while that's doing that, let me get the ingredients over here. We're only gonna be needing the spaghetti and the big fork. So set that down up here. Let me pick up on this. That's just filling up, so stick it out around halfway. That's all you gotta do. Take it and we are gonna put it on the pot. Just like that, so let's get cooking. Okay, so now we're gonna put this on high and then we're gonna take our spaghetti and put it in when it starts boiling. So I'll be back when this starts boiling, so see you later. Okay guys, so now that it started boiling, I'm gonna take the spaghetti and pour it in. So you're just gonna open it up like this. And then you're just gonna take a few for how much you're gonna make. And just put it in. Just like that. Just take those on the counter. Yes, I cleaned the counter before I made this video and started it. So go in the comments section. And then just gotta do a few more. That's good enough. Now I'm gonna put this back in the pantry.
Why'd you go in my room?
Oh, come on! Now, okay, so now that we put the spaghetti in, we're gonna take our big giant fork and we're just gonna mix it up. Can see, spaghetti should be a little bit soft right now. Just gonna mix that in. And just wait. We'll wait about 5 minutes and then we'll check up on this. So I'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay, so now that you see the foam is rising up, we're just gonna pat that down and turn down the heat a little bit to around 8. Make sure all that foam goes down. And now, we're still gonna wait around 5 minutes. So. One mixing. Anyways, I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. Again. Okay, so now we're gonna stir it a little bit more. Okay? And now we're gonna get to making the sauce. So, let's get this camera angle over here. Okay, so now we're gonna take our pot, place it here on the pan, and we're gonna put it to around 7. And we're gonna open up our ragu and just place it in. Now this one was emptying, so I just had to use it. And I got a new one here, so I have enough sauce. There we go. Just put that in there. Enough sauce. And just wait for that to warm up. And we have a spoon to stir it, just in case. So once it starts bubbling, that's that's when you know when it's all warmed up. So let's go back to the pasta. So now we're back to the pasta. And oh, this feels soft. So now I'm gonna take a piece of spaghetti, just like that. Oh, see? Just gonna take a piece, one piece. Pick that up. We're gonna taste it to see if the pasta is ready or not. So it's hot. Yes, it must be ready. Give it about a minute or that way that confetto and the pasta and the sauce will be warmed up and everything. That way I can get the plates out and plates for everyone to eat. So I'll be back. Now that our sauce is starting to bubble, we are just gonna stir it a little bit until it starts bubbling a lot more a little bit. And there we go. Now we can turn this off. Set it aside. And now we're gonna take one of these baskets that can drain the water out and put it to the sink. And now let's go over there and dump the pasta. Okay guys, so let me get the pot, turn the stove off. We're just gonna take this pot and just dump it right in. Careful not to get burned. That's hot. I'm just gonna let that water drain, and we don't need this anymore, so lay it over here. Just take it. Let all that drain. Gotta take the thing off to drain. I got an idea. I have an idea. Let's take these. Just open it up. Like that. That's how we do it. And then just make sure that's all good. And now we can serve. So I'll be back when it's all served. Okay guys, so here are the servings. All good and nice. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like that button down below. And don't forget to comment what kind of videos you want me to make next. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!